Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 21st, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Futures are trading higher today by about 4.25 points to 23.74.25 per contract. So all in all, futures are a little bit higher ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how this market plays out today. Again, we have lots of upgrades and downgrades. We're not going to get too much into that, but we'll get into the heart of the order here as far as stocks are concerned, and we'll look at what we can find as the biggest movers and the biggest earnings. Let's start the day off with Deutsche Bank DB is the ticker symbol. Looks like there's a report right now coming out by Bloomberg saying that they could be fined over Forex trading. So again, Deutsche Bank, which closed at $18.38, now trading at $17.50, was lower, so it has come back a little bit. We'll see where that plays out today. We will be looking at this in the intraday stock chat room today if it does make new lows. So we do have some levels available. We'll be looking at this one in the intraday stock chat room today if it does make new lows. So keep Deutsche Bank on the radar. This could be in play today. I believe General Mills is in play today. They reported earnings earlier. The stock right now is trading at $58.95, closed at $60.26 yesterday. So again, this could trade a bit lower. I am seeing very good support for General Mills right around the $56.50 level. So keep that on the radar. I don't know if we go down that far, but if we do, that is going to be a play right off the bat. And we'll also look for pattern today once the opening bell rings. Now, in sympathy to General Mills, we always like to follow Kellogg's, and that's under pressure as well. Stock came down today to around the 74.30. Right now trading at 74.40. Very little volume though. So again, it closed at 74.98. So it is down ticking a little bit. But again, very little volume out here. We'll look at Kellogg's along with General Mills once the opening bell rings. But Kellogg's could be a sympathy play if we find a good level on General Mills. Next up, we want to take a look at LE, which is Land's End. And what you'll see here is that this stock right now is trading at $19.15 right there. Closed at $19.20. It's been all over the map. I believe they reported earnings as well. But either way, really a flat open. So we're not going to do a whole lot there, but we will keep it on the radar. If it does rally higher, I think the stock does stall out around $20.80. So keep that resistance level on the radar there, just in case we do get up there. Facebook today was upgraded. Take a look at FB. Facebook right now is trading at $141 a share. Closed at $139.94 yesterday. So you're getting a little upgrade there in Facebook. Let's take a look at CSIQ, which is Canadian Solar. Looks like this stock right now is trading at $12.61, down from $13.55 where it closed yesterday. There's a pretty good little haircut. There is a lot of support though in this general area. So anywhere around 1240, 1250, still a fair amount of daily chart support. Now, next big level that I'm seeing would probably be down at the double bottom from January. That's around $11.21. So that would be your next big double bottom support level. So keep that level on the radar if you are trading Canadian Solar today. Let's take a look at Lennar. Lennar reported earnings. This is a major home builder in the U.S. Stock right now is trading at $52.75. Closed at $52.68. You can see it briefly had a big pop, then a drop, and now settling in right where it basically closed yesterday. I do happen to believe Lennar is an overbought equity, so be very, very careful here at this stage of the game. But we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. It will be on our radar. You also want to look at Toll Brothers today, another leading home builder that could be in play. Right now the stock is trading at $36.40, right where it closed. Keep an eye on DHI, which is D.R. Horton, another home builder there. And then you also want to watch KB Home. KBH is the ticker symbol there. So these all could be in play today. Again, we'll have to look and see if Lennar makes any kind of dramatic move once the opening bell rings. Right now, it's not doing all that much. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil today. Crude oil is up about 11 cents to $49.02 a barrel. If you take a look at the U.S. XO, which is a good oil ETF. That's trading at around $10.30. So down ticking a little bit from its high, but again, it is higher than where it closed yesterday by about 3 pennies. So we'll keep oil on the radar. Again, spot crude just higher by about 10, 11 cents at the moment. Gold futures are trading lower by $1.70 right now to $1,232 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good gold ETF, that is trading at 117.43 this morning, closed at 117.56. So a little bit of down ticking there, reflecting a little drop in spot gold. Again, we're not going to make too much out of it. We'll see how it plays out today. We'll be looking at gold and gold patterns and gold mining stocks once the opening bell rings. So again, a lot of action out here. We've had a great 2017 in the intraday stock chat room. If you want to come along and trade with us, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see what we're doing in there. You get to see our desktops live, and you get to ask comments, get to make comments and ask questions throughout the entire session. So again, fully interactive. Come on over, give it a shot, and you'll see what it's all about there. 7-day free trial for the intraday stock chat. All right, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.